Welcome to this lovely one-owner Cape Cod home in Conestoga Valley School District. I'm Marion with the Marion Rutt team. The comfortable living room has brand new carpet and is freshly painted. The kitchen and dining area with updated vinyl plank flooring and fresh paint opens to the freshly stained 12x16 deck with retractable awning. The first floor includes the master bedroom with new carpet and a laundry chute, and an additional bedroom or office, and a full bath recently remodeled. The second floor includes two nice-sized bedrooms and a second remodeled full bath. You will love the spacious lower-level family room with a gas fireplace, built-in bookshelves and cabinets, plus a kitchen counter and an extra refrigerator. A large laundry room with built-in cabinets and a half bath will be sure to please. A utility room also with cabinets and a Bilco door to the backyard completes the lower level. The two-car garage with a wall of cabinets and the beautifully landscaped property is on a quiet cul-de-sac and has easy access to major highways. Thank you for viewing 66 Millstone Drive in Brownstown. Give us a call at 717-859-7019 and we're happy to schedule your private showing.